Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Michelle, and on my channel I upload new videos every single week about luxury, planning, and travel. So if those are some things that interest you, please be sure to consider subscribing down below and hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos every week. So today I will be sharing a little bit more about my Louis Vuitton Confidential Bracelet, which is in this little box right over here. I actually got this piece in Louis Vuitton Solaire in Manila, Philippines, and I got it back in April 2019, and I was just drawn to it because it was so simple but chic. So currently this piece retails for $270 USD on the Louis Vuitton website, and it is made of a monogram canvas strap with canvas lining, and it has a brass with shiny gold finishing right over here, and it has monogram actually engraved onto this gold finishing. So recently I have been wearing this bracelet a lot more and have been pairing it with my Apple Watch right over here. And I just love the combination and look. Let me go ahead and put it on so you can see. I am just loving this combination and look. If you're interested in how I got my Apple Watch to look like this with the Louis Vuitton background, I actually just uploaded a YouTube video recently, and I'll link it up here for you to click, and also in the bottom links down below. So personally, I do think the Confidential bracelet does need to be paired with another bracelet or a watch, which is why I have been wearing it a lot more because I do wear my Apple Watch every single day. I think it looks better stacked with other bracelets or watches, and I don't usually wear this bracelet by itself anymore. I remember reading somewhere someone said that it looks like a hair tie on the wrist, and ever since then I just really could not get that out of my head when I wear it all by itself. And I think that's why I didn't wear it as much before. Also, I just didn't have anything to stack it with. I also am thinking of getting another bracelet to add to the stack, but just am not too sure which one to get just yet. So as far as sizing of the bracelet, this bracelet does come in 3 different sizes, 15, 17, and 19. And my wrist size is about 15.5 centimeters, so I did get the size 17, and it just has enough wiggle room to be comfortable. In order to open and close this bracelet, there is a little button that you need to go ahead and press right over here, just like so. And I'll admit that at first I was having a really hard time just putting it on all by myself. I even had to ask Joseph a few times to put it on for me, but I did learn the trick to putting it on all by myself, and here's how I do it. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and unlock the bracelet, and I'm gonna go ahead and rest the bracelet in between my wrist and my body, and I'm gonna have this little pointy part facing away from my body. And with my index finger, I'm gonna go ahead and press down this button and just push it into the pointy part, and you should hear it click, and voila, it's on. I don't know why I had such a hard time. I think maybe because I was trying to do it the other way with the pointy part facing outward, but as you can see, it's really hard that way. I would need to like use my leg or something else to kind of like push it to lock it. But yeah, so that's how I get my bracelet on, and yeah, just like that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!